Hello, what's up you guys? TerraArts Game here with another super duper exciting Grand Theft Auto 5 video, and today it's Christmas Day! Yay! Santa Claus, la 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 la. Alright, so alright, that was so annoying. So in GTA 5 world here, currently today is Christmas Day.
But TerraArts, what did you mean?
Alright, so basically we're gonna have some snowy day, and yeah, let's just pretend it was a Christmas day in this game. So, honey, do you need some hot chocolate or whatever? She's asleep. So I'm gonna buy some hot chocolate here for me and some candies for the kids. For that, let's just quickly go to display and let's just get rid of the map here. And then just have fun with no limit. So quickly we're gonna put in some weather cheat.
But TerraArts cheat disabled trophies.
Who cares? Two things so silly for an old gamer like me: trophies and DLC. Especially DLC is just so stupid. Back in the day you can buy a full version of the game right away, but now if you want a full version of the game you're gonna buy they're gonna call a special edition or whatsoever. if you're an old gamer you'll understand. Woo! By the way, look at this view, guys. Look at this view. Oh my, I just love to see Los Santos with a snowy weather like this. Just so beautiful. Alright, so alright, so guys, we are going to find some hot chocolate and some candies for our children. We're gonna use Tracy's car here, and maybe we're gonna turn off the radio before some copyright strikes. Wandering around on my YouTube account. And so actually some of you guys asked me, hey TerraArts, why some of your like for example GTA San Andreas walkthrough you turn off the radio? Well, ever heard of copyright? Even some of them I forgot to turn off the radio, and some of them got copyright strikes, so it blocked in some countries and etc, and it's annoying. So anyway, look at this city, guys. Look at this. Oh my god, so beautiful. So basically I found this accidentally, you know what I'm saying? So one day I'm just playing with the, I tried all of the cheats of Grand Theft Auto 5, and then it comes to weather cheat. Oh my god, what the hell is this guy doing? Christmas rush. So I was trying this weather cheat, and then woo, suddenly I'm so shocked. There is a snowy weather, and I was like, what is this? And oh my god, the whole city turned to be like snowy weather. It's just so amazing, because if you guys an old gamer and you play all of GTA games, you know that since I believe San Andreas, lots of people been modding the game in a PC version, and yeah, one of the most incredible mod I ever install is the weather mod, which is the snowy weather mode. It's just so beautiful. The old San Andreas city, just all white and beautiful. I just love snowy day. Why? Because in my country there is no snow at all. Never experienced a snow. So we got the chocolate and the candies. We're just gonna go back home. By the way, how do I find this store without the map? Because in GTA Online there's a store everywhere. I just get used to where the store's at. It's already here in my mind. So the beautiful thing about playing this game is actually if you try to turn off the map, you just gonna see that the city is actually pretty huge. It's actually really huge. Some of you guys says that I think the San Andreas city is a lot bigger. Well, it's because back in San Andreas there's no GPS, so your eyes is used to used to look around the city. You barely see the map. You only see the map to see the road, you know what I'm saying, but not entirely just completely look at the map for the GPS. Since the GTA 4 there's a GPS system. So if you really want to have fun with Grand Theft Auto, the new version of Grand Theft Auto, since the GPS thingy on the map, try to turn off the GPS, or maybe turn off the map and just, you know, wandering around the city with the maps turned off like this. It's so fun, guys. This is how you have fun with Grand Theft Auto 5. So look at this, look at me here trying pretend to be a Christmas day and buying candies and hot chocolate. Well, this is how I'm having fun. Don't judge me, man.
Taras, you're so childish.
Shut up. This is how you have fun, guys. This is how you have fun. This is how you have fun with this Grand Theft Auto 5 games. I tell you that. Especially for an old gamer like me. I used to do this all the time with my old Grand Theft Auto San Andreas, Grand Theft Auto 4. And if you're an old gamer like me too, don't you dare say that you never do this in Grand Theft Auto 5. Okay, or any Grand Theft Auto games. By the way, guys, look at this. Look at this beautiful view. Oh my god, this game is beautiful. Why? Because in real by the way, you always ask me what did I do in real life. I am a visual effects editor and also 3D artist in real life, so I know how beautiful this game is and how hard it is to make some game like this. Basically, look at this city, look at this, look at all of this, look at this. This is a great game. I love it. So guys, anyway, that's it for this video. For the weather chat, I'm gonna put it in the description or maybe in the video, and let's just have fun with this game, because this game is just so fun so far. Alright guys, so Taras Game here, see you in the next video.